What is edge computing? Types, applications, and the future. Edge computing has emerged as a game-changing innovation meeting businesses and consumers' demand in a smarter and more efficient technologies.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
It promises faster data processing, reduced latency, and transformative applications across various industries. But what exactly is edge computing, and how does it differ from traditional cloud computing? Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm where data processing occurs closer to the source of the data, such as sensors, IoT devices, or local servers. Instead of sending all the data to centralized cloud servers for processing, edge computing enables computation at or near the edge of the network, where the data is generated. This proximity reduces latency, enhances efficiency, and makes real-time applications like autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and industrial IoT possible. Edge computing versus cloud computing. While cloud computing relies on massive, centralized data centers to store and process data, edge computing decentralizes these processes. Here's a quick comparison. Mobile edge computing, a subset of edge technologies. Mobile edge computing, MEC, focuses on integrating edge capabilities within mobile networks. It places servers and computing resources close to cellular base stations or mobile towers, enabling real-time applications such as 5G-enabled smart applications, e.g., augmented reality, gaming, connected vehicles for traffic management, mobile IoT devices for healthcare and smart cities. Types of edge computing. The edge computing ecosystem is not one-size-fits-all. It comprises multiple models tailored to specific needs. 1. Mobile edge computing, MEC. As mentioned earlier, MEC operates within mobile networks, placing computational power near telecom infrastructures to support latency-sensitive, bandwidth-heavy mobile applications. 2. Fog computing. Fog computing introduces an intermediary layer between edge devices and the cloud. It's often deployed in environments where data needs pre-processing before reaching cloud systems or when multiple edge devices need to collaborate. Examples include Industrial IoT, IIoT. Factories monitor and optimize production in real time. Energy grids. Manage power distribution locally with predictive analytics. 3. Cloud edge. This approach extends cloud services to localized environments, allowing companies to leverage centralized control while deploying edge capabilities closer to users. Cloud edge is ideal for applications requiring a blend of scalability and low latency, such as content delivery networks, CDNs. Streaming platforms like Netflix optimize delivery using cloud edge nodes. Retail. Enhancing real-time customer personalization. Why is edge computing at the edge? Or is it? What does computing at the edge mean? The phrase computing at the edge refers to processing data where it is created or captured, such as IoT sensors, cameras, or local servers. This eliminates the need to transmit all raw data to remote data centers, significantly reducing latency and bandwidth costs. Unlike traditional centralized computing paradigms, edge computing doesn't rely on sending data to distant data centers. Instead, it processes critical information locally, ensuring efficiency and reducing reliance on network bandwidth. Examples of edge computing. Edge computing has real-world applications across a variety of sectors. Here are some prominent examples. 1. Smart cities. Traffic management systems. Cameras and sensors process data locally to reduce congestion in real time. Public safety. Edge-enabled surveillance systems monitor and analyze live video feeds for security purposes. 2. Autonomous vehicles. Cars process data from cameras, LiDAR, and sensors to make real-time driving decisions without depending on cloud connectivity. 3. Industrial IoT. Edge IoT. Edge IoT devices in manufacturing optimize equipment usage and predict maintenance needs, reducing downtime. 4. Healthcare. Wearable devices like heart monitors analyze patient data locally, enabling real-time alerts and immediate interventions. Edge devices used for edge computing. What are edge devices? Edge devices are hardware components designed for local data collection, processing, and storage. These include edge gateways. Devices that bridge local edge networks and the cloud help manage data flow between edge devices and the cloud. IoT sensors capture real-time data on temperature, humidity, or equipment performance in applications like weather management, industrial automation, healthcare, and more. Edge servers provide additional computational power for demanding workloads.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.